6 most effective cures for intestinal cleansing. Intestinal cleansing cure is known as a last-generation detox recommended by many experts. This application is recommended to stay away from colon cancer and to have a healthy intestinal flora, in addition to a healthy diet. The recommended intestinal cleansing detox ensures that the digestive system of the person works more actively and healthily. It is also possible to stay away from many diseases with clean and happy intestines. The chemicals in the foods consumed during the day will tire the intestines over time. The intestines, which are accustomed to this order, will be damaged by the effect of preservatives in the foods taken, harmful substances, and mucus accumulated in the colon after a while begin to produce substances that poison the whole body. In order to prevent this dangerous situation, bowel cleansing is recommended. If you are wondering how to clean the intestines, we will now recommend you intestinal detox with natural and herbal products in your home. Antioxidant Store Green Miracle. Materials: 1 small green apple, 1 slice of pineapple, small cucumber with a peel, 1 small orange, 1 spoon of aloe vera gel. Preparation of: put all the ingredients in a blender and puree well. Add 1 glass of water to the crushed ingredients and make them become a little liquid. You will need to drink the mixture you prepared 2 times a day. You can purify your intestines from all harmful substances by drinking it, fresh for 7 days in total, morning and evening. This cure is also a recipe that dieters will love, as it is a fat burner and edema remover. Happy intestines thanks to the legendary trio. Materials: 6 strawberries, 1 slice of pineapple, 4 to 5 sprigs of parsley. Preparation of: give a puree consistency by crushing all the ingredients in the list with a blender. It is recommended to add 1 glass of water to the obtained puree and drink it every morning. This intestinal cleansing cure has diuretic properties and purifies the body from all harmful toxins. You can mobilize the stagnant intestines by consuming it once before breakfast every morning for 7 days in total. By applying this cure from time to time, you will also take precautions against colon cancer. Strawberry, pineapple, and parsley are the foods that work the metabolism. Thanks to this cure, it is possible to stay away from problems such as constipation. Practical and permanent solution: ginger. Materials: 1 glass of water, 1 small piece of fresh ginger. Preparation of: cut the fresh ginger into small pieces and put them in the blender. After adding 1 glass of water to it, run the blender. After the ingredients are well mixed, strain and transfer into a glass. You can also sweeten it by adding a teaspoon of honey to the filtered water. Honey will be effective in maintaining your body resistance. You can control intestinal health by applying the recommended ginger cure once a week. Anti-colon cancer vitamin cure. Materials: 1 cup of organic apple juice, half a cup of hot water, sea salt on the tip of a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon ginger juice, 2 spoons of lemon juice. Preparation of: boil all the ingredients in a pot, always fresh. When it comes to a warm temperature, consume 3 times a day before meals. You can apply this effective cure once in 10 days. It has an effect that prevents colon cancer and completely cleans the intestines. Intestinal cleansing with the power of honey and apple cider vinegar. Materials: 2 spoons of natural honey, 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar. Preparation of: make a paste by mixing apple cider vinegar and honey. You can keep this paste in the fridge. When you consume 1 spoon of this mixture every morning, you will start the day by cleaning your intestines. Intestinal cleansing will be applied with apple cider vinegar with the most natural methods. Now you have 1 more reason not to miss apple cider vinegar from your home. Don't be late to try it. Pineapple, lemon, and cucumber cure. If you think that your intestines have become quite sluggish lately, you should apply this cure immediately. Let's first bring together the ingredients to drink the effective cure prepared by the combination of miracle foods. Materials: 1 ring pineapple, 1 medium cucumber, juice of half a lemon. Preparation of: if you have a smoothie machine, combine all the ingredients and mash well. Add 1 cup of drinking water to the crushed mixture and mix again for the last time. You can drink the mixture 30 minutes after waking up every morning. Thanks to this beneficial cure, which reaches the bacteria in your intestines, you can have a clean digestive and excretory system. Those who do not have a smoothie device can use a chopper or a blender. In this way, the following steps should be followed. Peel the skin of 1 medium cucumber. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice from half of it. First, chop the cucumber into small pieces and throw it into the blender bowl. Then add lemon juice to it. Chop the pineapple into small pieces and throw it away. And run it frequently in short intervals to help mash all the ingredients. In the last step, pour 1 cup of drinking water over the mixture and blend again. The curing mixture you have prepared will have a smooth consistency. You can say hello to the day with clean intestines by drinking this cure every morning. Don't forget to like the channel and subscribe.